Hi, welcome to That One Blonde Girl. I'm going to show you how I use my Christina Lini Urban Decay palette to get my eyeshadow look. So, that's that. And I hope you enjoy. Let's hop right into that. And don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm going to be taking my Christina Lini palette by Urban Decay. And I'm going to be using this whole palette for this look. Even the brush, I'm only going to be using the brush it came with. But the colors are very pretty. We have a light white, it's a very shimmery color, and it's Lucy. We have this, I want to say kind of a light brown tannish color, and it's Daydream. And we have this nice pretty pinky peach color, and it's called 1212. And then we have Subscribe, which is a little bit darker than Daydream, and it's a little more, I'm going to say tannish. And it's, yeah, I said Subscribe, sorry. And then a dark brown at 8. And I'm going to be using this whole palette for my eye look today. And I'm also going to be using my Urban Decay Primer Potion, original one. So, we are going to start. Some primer potion. That was a lot. Oops. Then we're just gonna pat that on. And then I'm going to go in with the color Daydream. And I'm going to use that as my base color. And I'm actually going to be taking this flat end of the brush. And by the way, it came with a dual side brush. You got a little blendy side and a flat side. So I'm taking Daydream. And I'm going to tap this all over my lid. This is going to be my transition color. I'm going to make sure you get that all over on both eyelids. So kind of like that. And then I'm going to take the color Subscribe, and I'm going to put, Subscribe in my crease with the flat side. I'm just going to take some of them and just kind of dab it in my crease. A little bit, and then I'm gonna also take the blendy side of this brush, and I'm gonna actually blend that a little bit better. And once that is blended well and you think it looks good and you like it, you're going to go in with the color 8, which is that dark brown. And I'm going to actually take the fluffy side for this, and I'm just going to dab it in and just put a little dab on my outer corners of my eyelid. kind of make that even, and then I'm going to go in and I'm going to blend that in to my crease. So once I get that in my crease and I feel like it's very blended, I am now going to go in with the flat side of this brush. I'm actually going to clean it off a little bit. Okay, once you have your brush a little cleaned off from using the other colors, I'm actually going to go in with the shade 2012. And I'm going to put that on my lid. So that's going to be my lid color. And I'm just going to lightly pat that on. Once you have it on your lids and you feel very good about it, I'm actually going to go in and take DayDream again with the blendy side. And I'm going to go back over my crease a little bit and help blend that out some more. I'm going to blend it up more towards my brow. And then I'll go back in with 8. Sorry for my voice there. And I'm actually going to hit that a little on my outer lower line. So, once you have done that, you're now going to clean your brush off again and go in with the shade Lucy, which is that very light white color. And I'm going to use the blendy side, and I'm going to get some on there, and I'm going to actually put this up on my brow bone to lighten that up. And I'll make sure I blend that. I'm also going to be putting this in my tear duct. And then I'm going to take it and I'm going to blend all that out, or blend it in. So once you have done that and you feel very comfortable about your eye look you've came up with, you are then going to take your eyeliner, which I forgot to get out, so let me get that. Your eyeliner, I'm actually going to be taking my Urban Decay 24/7 eyeliner, and it's in Provision. And I'm gonna do a line going across. As you can tell, I'm not the greatest at putting on eyeliner, but once you get that a line basically dotted on or drawn on, I'm actually going to go back in with my liquid liner. I can't even tell which one this is. It has stars on it. And it's kind of faded, the handwriting, so I can't really make that out. But I'm going to take it and I'm going to go back over that line I just drew and kind of smooth up my edges to get a nice line. And once you have your eyeliner how you like it, you can take a makeup wipe and kind of just clean up any mistakes you may have drawn or gone a little crazy with. So, to clean that up. And I'm actually going to be taking my They're Real by Benefits mascara. And I'm going to then put that on to finish this look. So once you get that done, you're done, and you came up with this nice look with, I know I'm bleeding right there. I don't have any Q-tips, or I would take a Q-tip and fix that. I forgot to grab my Q-tips before I started filming. But, so you take your Christina Lini Urban Decay palette, and this is the eye look I came up with. And I used all the shades, and yeah, thank you.